A very good morning to all, dear third standard students. I hope you all are enjoying online classes. Yes? So, let's begin Unit 2. All birds cannot fly. There are few birds who can't fly. Friends, know about these birds who can't fly. So, let's start the lesson. All birds cannot fly. An ostrich was sitting with a gloomy face in a forest. A hen came there. The hen saw the ostrich. They talked to each other. What did they talk about? Read on. There are three birds that are talking to each other. First is ostrich, hen, and peacock. They are best friends. Okay. Hen says, "Good morning, ostrich. How are you?" Ostrich says, "Boof, woof, boo, woof. I'm sad. Hen says, "Sad? Why? What's the matter? Why are you sad?" Ostrich says, "I'm not happy with God. I'm angry with him." Hen says, "Why? What did he do?" So friends, the ostrich and hen are talking to each other. Ostrich was very sad and also angry with God. Let's see why ostrich is angry with God. Okay. Ostrich says, "He has given me wings, but I can't fly in the sky. Look at those birds flying high in the sky. I can't do that." Hen says, "Oh, that's the matter. So what if you can't fly? Look at me. I am also a bird, but even I can't fly." Ostrich says, maybe, but I wish I could fly. So many other birds can fly. Boof, oof, boof, oof. I'm sad, I can't fly. Hen says, "Oh, don't worry. You can do so many things that other birds can't do. You should be proud of that. You are the largest and swiftest running bird. No bird can compete with you. And yes, there is one more thing that you should be proud of." Meanwhile, a peacock enters. Peacock says, "Hello everybody. Friend hen, you were saying that the ostrich should be proud of one more thing. What's that one more thing?" I think you have understood. Why was ostrich sad? Tell me now. Yes, because he has wings but he can't fly high in the sky. He looks at the other birds who fly high in the sky and he feels so sad because he can't fly high in the sky. Okay. The hen talks next. "You can do so many things that other birds can't do. You should be proud of. You are the largest and swiftest running bird." See friends, ostrich is fastest running bird, okay, and it is very large. No any other bird can do this. Okay, so whatever you have, you should be proud of that. Meanwhile, a peacock enters and asks to hen, the ostrich should be proud of one more thing. What is that one more thing? Hen says, "The ostrich lays the largest eggs of all. They weigh many kilograms." Ostrich says, "That's true, but I can't fly. Peacock says, "Oh, come on. Don't be so sad. Look at me. I am a bird too, but I can fly only few yards. I can't fly high in the sky. And you might be surprised to know, but there are many other birds who can't fly." Ostrich, wiping tears and looking surprised. "Really? Many others? Can you tell me who are those?" Hen says, "Sure. Kiwi can't fly at all. Penguin can hardly fly. They live on the snow and they are very happy. They don't feel sad at all." Ostrich says, "Oh, is that so? Then I will not feel sad anymore." Jumps around with a relief. "Now I am happy. Now I know all birds can't fly. Oh, I'm happy, I'm happy, now I'm happy, now I'm happy. So friends, have you seen eggs of birds? Yes, they are small in size, but ostrich lays the largest eggs of all birds. They weigh in many kilograms. It has large size. Peacock, peacock also can fly only few yards, means only few distance it can fly. And there are many other birds who can't fly. Okay, which are those many birds? Kiwis can't fly at all. And penguins can hardly fly. And both live on the snow. But they are not sad, they are very happy. After hearing this, the ostrich realized that there are many birds like hen, peacock, kiwi, penguin who can't fly high in the sky. So now he is happy and jumping with relief. Understand what the story is and what moral we should take from it? You have to be happy with what you are having. Okay? Each and everyone is unique and beautiful. Ostrich was very upset with God. He wanted to fly high in the sky, but the hen and the peacock explained that how he has great features, and finally ostrich became very happy. Thank you and take care.